Warning. If the topic of psychological manipulation and emotional enslavement of women offends you, I want you to stop watching this video. And if you want to continue, you must agree never to use this knowledge to hurt women. Deal? Great. Let's start. Did your girlfriend just cheat on you? Was she a woman you really loved, but now she's betrayed your trust? Do you now feel angry and frustrated and you want to get over her, but you just can't? Well, you're not alone. I meet lots of good, upstanding men who get cheated on by their girlfriends and wives. It's not fair, for sure, but it happens. And guess what? I've helped hundreds of other betrayed men just like you, and chances are that I can help you too. And that's what I'm going to talk to you about in this video. Ready? Great. Let's go. First, let's get straight to the point. Why does your girlfriend cheat on you? To answer that question, let's take a step back and ask this instead. Why do people cheat? It turns out that the motivation for cheating is different between men and women. When men cheat, 90% of the time, it's for physical reasons. Their physical needs are not being met in their relationship. It might be sex or physical intimacy or sexual fun, whatever. Imagine being married to a woman who will not make love to you. How would you feel? You'll feel like getting pussy elsewhere. That's what. It's just biology. Meanwhile, guess what? When women cheat, they do it for an entirely different reason. So what's the reason that women cheat? I'll tell you the real reason in a short while. Before we go into that, however, there's something I want you to do for me. Could you help me out by clicking like? That will really mean a lot to me. Go on and click like now because I'll wait here. Clicked like? Great. Let's continue. The reason why women cheat is this. 90% of the time, it's an emotional thing. Their emotional needs are not being met. This is where most guys stop me and say, "You mean my girlfriend cheated on me because I wasn't meeting her emotional needs? I made her happy. I gave her everything she wanted and needed. What more could she want?" Let me break it to you gently. When it comes to making your girlfriend feel emotionally fulfilled, it's a mistake to think you just need to make her happy. That's the mistake most good guys make. They don't realize that she also needs negative emotions. A bit of pain here, a bit of frustration there, a dose of drama daily, which then balanced off with the right amount of positive emotions. Rinse and repeat. In other words, women need what's called the emotional roller coaster. And it's what all women live for. They want it. They need it. They can't live without it. Here's the kicker. If they can't find the emotional drama in their relationship, they'll either create it or look for it elsewhere. Make no mistake. The natural need for emotional roller coasters is hard-coded in the female psyche. They are born with it. They can't fight it. They are powerless against it. And guess what? 90% of the time, it's the reason why women cheat in their relationships. Makes perfect sense, right? Now picture this scenario in your mind for a moment. Imagine if she hadn't cheated on you yet. Imagine if you were still in a relationship together. You're still in love with each other, but you feel she's slipping away for some reason. And imagine you knew she was slipping away because her emotional needs weren't being met. What should you do? This is what I teach every man whose woman is in danger of leaving him. You must learn how to put her on emotional roller coasters. Without question, it's the number one skill that you must have as a boyfriend or husband. Of course, that doesn't mean you should hurt her or fight her on purpose. That's just stupid, right? This is how you should do it instead. Use mind control. Next, you're going to learn an uber powerful mind control technique I teach my clients to fix their relationships and get their exes back. It's pretty powerful, and you'll really benefit from learning it. I guarantee you. But before we get into that technique, I want you to do this for me. If you have enjoyed this video this far, then subscribe to my channel because that will guarantee that you'll get these videos from me in the future. Go on and click on the subscribe button because I'll wait here. Done subscribing? Great. Let's continue. With this mind control tactic, you'll be telling her stories that will do one thing, to put her on an emotional roller coaster. And this technique is called fractionation. I'll show you how to use fractionation in a second, so keep watching. For now, understand this. Fractionation is everywhere around us. The mass media use fractionation ruthlessly to build a rabid audience, especially with women. You know why TV shows and romance novels are so popular with women? They are laced with fractionation, designed to put women on emotional roller coasters. And once a woman is on an emotional roller coaster, 1. She stops making conscious decisions and starts following her heart. 2. She stops trying to logically make sense of what's going on around her. 3. She just goes along for the ride, throwing caution in the air. Now imagine this. What if your girlfriend got the exact same kind of emotional roller coaster from you? This is what happens. She'll be addicted to you. She'll be bewitched by you. She'll follow you wherever you took her. She'll obey whatever you told her. She'll never leave you for another guy. You know what? This is the reason why some women who are stuck with jerk boyfriends seem perfectly happy. It's not because they're stupid. It's because they're getting their regular dose of emotional roller coasters. What if your girlfriend got her dose of emotional roller coasters from you? She would never have left. Believe me. Speaking of your girlfriend, let's snap back to reality now. Your girlfriend cheated on you. And to stop her from cheating on you again, you must give her the emotional fulfillment she needs. How? By putting her on emotional roller coasters. And you can only do that by mastering fractionation. And guess what? You can learn fractionation right now. Yes, now. Here's the thing though. I can't explain fractionation in detail in this video. It's already pretty long as it is. And that's why I'd recommend Derek Rake's legendary online masterclass on mind control. After you sign up for Derek's masterclass, you'll know what fractionation is, how it works, and how to use it on women. A link will now come up in the video. Click it and the registration page for Derek Rake's online masterclass comes up. There, enter your best email address because that's where your masterclass ticket will be sent. Do it. Click on the link now.